Welcome back to your intermediate guide to ranch roping. Today we're talking about running shots. Some of you might have never run a calf down. Some of you might want to do this. The fact of the matter is that the best ropers in the world are balanced. They can go slow and they can go fast, so you need to know both. Today's video is brought to you by 2 Timothy 1:7. For the spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Never weaken. There's going to be 3 running shot angles. There's the left shoulder, there's the calf roping shot straight behind the calf, and then there is the right shoulder, okay? All the same principle applies to the shots that we've already learned. So the tip over is going to be your left hand shoulder angle. You're going to put dip in your rope for the calf roping shot, and the side arm is going to be your right hand shoulder angle. You're going to match the angle of that calf's head. The side arm one is probably the easiest, right? I'm gonna match it. As soon as you see that calf's nose break around the nose of your horse, you're right there. You want it to hit and figure 8, pull your slack and all the things. That's probably the easiest one. My second favorite, or it's actually my favorite, but it's not, it's probably the second easiest one, is gonna be the left-hand shoulder. So you're gonna tip this over your left shoulder just a flick. You're gonna deliver to the shoulder, not the ears, and you want it to figure 8 in front, okay? Same angle as the tip over as if you were standing or the calf's walking. You're just gonna be at a dead run. So you're gonna want a little smaller loop, and you're gonna wanna throw it more directly. When it comes to the calf roping shot, this is hands down the hardest shot in roping, in my opinion. What you have to do to match the angle of that calf's head is you have to put dip in your rope. You got to dip it out in front of your horse's nose. So you're going to put that dip in your rope, and when you go to throw it, you're going to want to kind of stand up in your stirrups and drop it down on the calf's head. And as you can see, we'd have caught ears right there because I threw it a little too far forward. We're going to put dip in our rope to match the angle of the calf's head. And there we go. We want it to figure 8, whip around to the left, but just keep in mind when you're practicing that one, it's the hardest of the 3. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.